So we have the flywheel off, and I removed the parts book called it a generator, and it was in like this right here. And it went below, the two wires went down in here. Oops. Okay, yeah, it was in like that, and the two wires went down below. There's a rubber grommet in there. So the two wires go to the same spot. So I guess it doesn't matter which one is which. Yeah, right there. So these two holes. It does have a bunch of holes in here. So this originally was, this is when they switched from points to this generator, which some people had it for sale online calling it an electronic module. So I'm thinking this replaces the points. So not super heavy, but it definitely has some metal in it. And it is labeled here. So what I'm going to try is, and here's the flywheel, which according to one YouTube, this is the type that was used for points. Now, I am hoping, and I think this is the case, is that this is both the coil and the electronic ignition because of the chip on it. So I hope that's the case, not guaranteed. And there was some people saying that a 3 magnet would not work with the chip, but nothing really talked about this model in this situation. So what I'm going to do is clean this up a little bit more, and then I'm going to start putting it back together. I'm going to leave the module out, or generator. I'm going to put the flywheel back on, and then we're going to put the new coil, hopefully the electronic coil, pretty sure that's how it was described, and put it all back together, and let's see what happens, because at this point that's the only thing I would like to do to find out if that's going to work on its own. If not, then we're going to go back to the drawing board, and maybe I need to buy an old set. There is a place selling these two together. You can make an offer. Maybe that's what I need to do. I'm not sure. So let's see if we can upgrade it, and I'm hoping it works. Now, we had sparks, so it's really a question of, and I didn't have it gapped correctly. I mean, most likely I had it gapped too wide, so maybe that made a big difference. But it's good I took it apart, because the coil wire going to the spark was too long, and it was touching the flywheel at times. So that's corrected now. And now we got the module out, so it's just a cleaner touch lighter saw, not much. Okay, let's put it back together.